guys, we are back. I do apologize. I know that I've promised to upload a continuation video in like a week time, and it's almost a month now. YouTube has been doing a lot in terms of pushing our videos for us, the newbies or the smaller accounts. So yeah, I can see we are now at 640 subscribers. The goal is to reach 1k to 2k subscribers this year. YouTube, you better do something about. Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Malebo, aka the Legal Guru, and I am back with another bang of legal education, very informative videos. So if you're new to this channel, welcome, and please do not leave without subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much guys for liking, subscribing and commenting to my YouTube channel. So today I thought, you know what, when I go through my YouTube videos and I'm trying to understand some parts and I'm like, oh, here I was wrong, and you can't even edit it. I really wish YouTube could give us that option to re-edit to be able to edit the already uploaded videos, because there's some parts where you made a mistake and you couldn't recognize it at that time, and now it's already out there. It's already out there. Thousands of people have already viewed it and with those mistakes. But I mean guys, we are human, we do make mistakes, and as I said, all this information that I'm sharing on this platform, it's things that are there on the internet, and some are things that I've learned throughout my practical experience. So if I do say something that's slightly incorrect, or even if it's like major incorrect, do also try to check it against the sources on the internet or whatever research tool that you can. In my previous video, we talked about the requirements to working in the US, particularly in Washington and California. We also discussed working in New Zealand as a South African lawyer. So today we are going to continue with our topic, but this time we will be emphasizing the requirements of working in Dubai. I decided, you know what, let me just take my phone. This is like my very old phone. Yes, it's possible to practice, or to rather work as a non-practicing lawyer in Dubai, right? And we're gonna touch base on that right now. Let's just get right into it. So what are the educational requirements? Number one, you must be having obviously an LLB degree or a similar law degree from an accredited institution. Postgrad degree is an advantage. You must be having between 2 to 5 years working experience. It's also another added advantage. Then they also say that there may be a requirement for you to complete an internship or to work under a supervision, so that they can supervise your work and see how you perform before you can actually bang a permanent employment. Secondly, what you need to know is how to get that license. What are the procedures to get that license? Number one, you must have delivered an application intending to practice or to be in the non-practicing law of the lawyers in the UAE, in Dubai. You must also have a valid passport, academic record. Evidence of relevant work experience is also required. So like I did mention, that it's always favorable. You stand a chance if you have about 2 to 5 years working experience, and you also having a postgraduate degree. Then there is also what we call a character assessment. So they also do a background check and character evaluation, so you must also pass that to ensure that you are a fit and proper candidate. Thereafter, you can then study and prepare and complete the UAE bar examinations. The examinations, in order for you to pass, it's basically, it evaluates your knowledge of the UAE laws, regulations, legal ethics, languages, all those. And as I explained, they have two legal things. So it's the Sharia law and the civil side of it. So you need to know that before you can secure a job, you also need to understand the immigration processes, the type of visas that are available. Here it says that there is employment visas, there's sponsorship wherein you have already banked a job and they're sponsoring you in terms of your visas and everything. A specific residency requirement, obviously healthcare, health insurance, can't just go to another country without at least a guarantee of a healthcare insurance. So if something happens to you, then where are you gonna go? Where are you going to go? Obviously good character, clear criminal record, all your qualification will also have to be assessed. Again, you must also be in good standing in your jurisdiction. So you must be in good standing in the jurisdiction of South Africa. If you are a registered member of the Legal Practice Council in South Africa, then you must be in good standing. Good standing, you can check all those requirements for LPC requirements for you to be in good standing. What are some of the on-demand fields in Dubai, the legal fields in Dubai that are in demand right now? Firstly, it's IP law. There is someone that's actually making videos about working in Dubai as an IP attorney from South Africa. You should look into that. I do watch other people's videos as well. So that's interesting. And yeah, anyone that's interested in IP law and want to work in Dubai, that's the girl for you. I forgot her name. Also finance, banking and finance. Actually, banking and finance is in demand everywhere worldwide, everywhere in the world. Banking and finance, it's a thing now. And then there's also real estate. They also want employment and labor lawyers. They also want immigration, family lawyers. So guys, family, I'm not sure about that. Technology and data privacy, those are like, yeah, international trade and investment lawyers. So this is something that I can do as well. Now there's another process which is called the attestation of qualifications. So South African qualification will then need to be attested by the UAE embassy and the Minister of Foreign Affairs, International Cooperation. So they're basically checking and assessing whether your qualifications are true or whether they meet the requirements in the UAE. Employment contract, you must also have an employment contract in place that you have already secured. There is also a registration process with the Dubai Legal Affairs Department and be admitted to the role of practicing legal consultants there. And another thing that you need to know is that if you're employed or you're going to be employed or you banked an offer as a legal consultant, you are prohibited from appearing in the courts. So obviously I think it's a general, I don't know, for us also, in South Africa, if you're a non-practicing attorney, you can't go and then now appear in court because, I mean, you're not in the role, you get what I'm saying? So it's the same thing also for Dubai. Legal consultants are not allowed to appear in court. Other considerations that obviously you would need to know: Arabic, they speak that, so in Dubai they speak Arabic, so taking Arabic classes could be an advantage, or having a knowledge of Arabic could be an advantage for you. So a need for you to undergo a continuous professional training. So what this does is all the legal advisors or the foreign lawyers in Dubai, they are required it's a requirement for them to undergo a continuous professional development under a supervision of a qualified Dubai lawyer, and all that. So that's required in order for them to assess that you're not giving people incorrect advices or information, and also to ensure that you are continuously skilled in terms of what's happening in the legal space. And you also need a professional liability insurance to provide proof of a valid professional liability insurance policy. So what that is, it's basically just to ensure that if something goes wrong, I think we have that in South Africa. That's the legal practitioners indemnity insurance in South Africa, and then for them it's called the professional liability insurance. I believe what that is, it's more or less similar to ours, wherein if something goes wrong, then you can go claim there, or a client can claim from there if you have kind of been malicious. Anyway guys, that was it in terms of requirements in order for you to work abroad or to work in Dubai. That is all from me, myself and I. Please make sure that you don't leave this video without liking, commenting and subscribing. And I really do appreciate the comments, I really do appreciate the sharing. And hey guys, thank you so much guys. Bye.